Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to core a pear without a corer. Before we get started, head over to my website, meadowbakery.com. Sign up if you haven't already done so, and then close the page. Go to the courses website where you'll find a list of courses available to buy on my website. When you find the one that you like, you just click on it and you'll be taken to a sales page where there'll be a video telling you more about the course, and there'll be a bit more information down the page about what's involved in the course, and then you click buy and follow the buying process. Peel your pear. And cut it in half. And then remove this bottom part which is dark. And then use your knife to remove the core. You'll find that there may be seeds deeper than what you've cut off. Get more seeds out and then put them to one side. That's how simple it is. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.